Okay guys, this is part 2 of the camper van trip. So let's get started with this second part. It's definitely time to clean my crazy hair before we open the store. And if you guys have not watched part 1, go watch part 1 and then come back to part 2. I love combing my beautiful hair. So fabulous. John, let's go put it away. There. My hair's combed out. It looks perfectly fine. Okay, I'm gonna go get the sign and put it out. There it is. This blue sign, that means we're open. Oh, Kristof, are you okay? Here, you're good.
I'm okay.
Okay, well, here, you can just... Okay, we're open. Oh, hi.
Oh, hi. I'm Sonic.
I know. What would you like?
Nice to meet you, Handshake.
Yeah, why not?
And I want to eat so many hot dogs here. I love hot dogs.
Okay, hot dogs it is. Time to make hot dogs for Sonic. Sonic, you can wait in the waiting area.
Can I just wait in there?
No, that's not the waiting area. I have to wait right there.
I can just run fast. Look, you want to see my running?
Yeah.
Oopsies. Sorry.
You messed up my store, Sonic.
I can go fast.
Sonic, please just stop. I'll clean it up. Please go sit in the...
I can just go fast.
Just, no. Please, Sonic, don't go fast in my store. Sonic, please go in the waiting area.
Sorry.
It's okay. Go in the waiting area right now or you're not going to get your food. That's what happens. Ugh. Time to clean up this humongous mess that Sonic made. Then I'll just get him over with his hot dogs.
I'm going to just take a nap.
One more. What the heck? There, and one more. Oops. There. Now one more, and it. Done. Time to start Sonic's hot dog. Sonic!
What?
Here's your hot dog. Oop, ow. Here's your hot dog.
More hot dogs, please.
No, you have to wait in line now.
Okay, I will just wait in the back of the line.
Next customer!
Oh, hi.
Oh, hi. Are you Shadow?
Yeah, I could disappear.
Shadow? Shadow.
Hi.
Shadow.
Hi.
Oh, hi, Shadow. 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 Shadow.
Hi.
Shadow. Oh, hi, Shadow. 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 Where are you? Shadow. 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 Oh, hi. Oh, Shadow. 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 Hi. What would you like? Shadow. Where?
No.
Okay. What would you like?
I like to have Krabby Patty of SpongeBob. SpongeBob candy.
Okay.
SpongeBob candy. I'm just going to wait and disappear in your like food restaurant. I would just disappear because I don't hurt anybody.
Okay. Bye bye. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Where did he go?
Bill.
Ah! Oh, hi. Thank you. You can go in the waiting area. Ah! Oh my God.
Sorry, I was scaring you.
It's okay. Huh? Sonic. I mean, Shadow.
Hi.
Shadow!